your makeup? How? All your makeup is gone. Crazy boy. Yes, honey, you like mama costume? Do I look cute? Do I look like a cat? Meow. What it do? What's up? Happy Halloween. This is my season, y'all. I love me some Halloween. Like, my kids just have fun. I like to dress up a little bit, okay? Stepped it up a notch this year. I'm literally a cat every year. But my plan, my goal is to upgrade my kitty every year, okay? So I feel like I upgraded from last year. Last year I did something real simple, real basic. But this year I wanted to do a little bit more, go a little bit more out, you know what I'm saying, with my cat makeup. So yes, honey. Stepped it up just a little bit, okay, just a little bit. Really, a cat costume is the easiest thing to do. Like, as y'all can see, I don't even need no ears. Even though I have ears, I don't need ears because of this hairstyle that I chose to do. And y'all, I am so in love with this hairstyle. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this, okay? I'm gonna be wearing this. This Beauty Forever hair is everything. This video is sponsored by Beauty Forever, so if you're interested in their hair, y'all know I love it. All their links will be down below. Go check out the sales, okay? Beauty Forever is definitely at the top of my list when it comes to like my favorite hair companies, favorite bundles and all of that. So thank you, Beauty Forever, for helping me with my costume this year. I love this look. Like, I feel so sexy. I'm not even myself right now. I'm a whole kitty cat and I feel so sexy and just so like in the Halloween spirit. So yes, if you're interested to see how I turned into Nikita the Kitty ×2, because last year I was Nikita the Kitty, but she was a little basic, you know what I'm saying? This is Nikita the Kitty ×2. So if you're ready to see how I transformed back into Nikita done bossed up this year, okay? Go ahead and stay tuned. Jumping right into the hair, I'm using my favorite edge control, which is the Hold It by Amber J. Love this stuff, y'all. Best edge control ever. And I'm just using that to slick my hair up, and I'm putting my two ponytails like really high, so they'll kind of be like right next to each other. And I'm just securing that and putting my hair into a twist, bunning it, doing the same thing to the other side. Then I'm just using that same edge control to slick down my edges. I'm about to swoop and dupe and loop the baby hairs. And I wanted some like dramatic baby hairs for this look because it's Halloween. I mean, it's a dramatic look. So, you know, I went all wavy with the baby hairs. And now this is the hair that I'm using. I actually took this off of a U-part wig. And I decided to use this for my ponytails because I love the length of this hair, y'all. 24, 26 inches, I think. Girl, it's really long. So it was a little tricky trying to get my ponytails on because all the hair was kind of, you know, cut and it was on a wig. But I just used like 3 tracks at a time, and I'm doing the old school bobby pin and loop around type of method. And then I'm using that pump it up, honey, the old school pump it up to kind of hold that hair to hide the tracks in place, you know what I'm saying? And this helps to like stick that hair down too. I didn't have to put a bobby pin or anything. You just pretty much tuck it. And bam, girl, ponytails is all done. Really super easy, okay? And now I'm gonna style these ponytails using my salon deep waver. I got this from Sally's, and as you can see, those waves is popping. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So jumping into the makeup, everything is pretty much self-explanatory, and I listed all the products on the screen so y'all can see what I'm using. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and let y'all enjoy this cat makeup tutorial. a doggy for Halloween? You gonna let me paint? Okay. Black nose.
I got that. I bought it this Halloween.
Yeah.
I'm a doggy.
You a doggy?
Ruff, ruff.
Woof woof. Ooh. Look at the camera. Hey, woof.
Look.
Woof woof. That is it. Thank y'all made it to the end of the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you haven't yet. Just being a cat is like the easiest thing for me to do, especially having kids. Y'all see I gotta get them dressed and get their costumes together and everything, and I don't really be having time to like do a whole lot to myself. So I just, you know, this holiday is mainly for my kids. Like when out becoming a mom, I don't really do nothing. I don't go to like no Halloween parties or nothing. I just go out with my babies and let them have a good time. But if I want to, you know, get in the mood, get in the spirit, now I feel like a kitty is just like the easiest thing to do to kind of join them with the whole Halloween festivities and everything. So I just love being a cat. I love how this year's kitty turned out. Nikita ×2. How you doing? Okay. Yeah, comment down below what you gonna be for Halloween. If you are being anything, what your kids gonna be for Halloween. Let me know, you know what I'm saying? What's popping, what the costumes is looking like this year. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram at @TiaraJazz to see some pictures of Nikita ×2. Oh yes, thank y'all again for watching. I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye guys.